Had enough of the FMOD Event Library DLL error blocking your game engine? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a repair to get your game files running again. Before we start the FMOD Event Library Manual Guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This DLL file is a specialized component of the FMOD Ex audio engine. It manages complex sound events and dynamic audio triggers in games, allowing sound designers to create reactive audio environments on the PC platform. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. The FMOD Event Library DLL is required by certain games and graphics applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores legacy runtime components, while GPU driver updates handle hardware-specific dependencies. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the FMOD event library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like the FMOD Event Library DLL. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for the FMOD Event Library. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching the FMOD Event Library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.